So this is a fuel filter that goes in bikes like the Pulsar RS200, Dominar, KTM's. Let's break it up and see what's inside. I asked my dad to saw this thing in half and let's see what's inside. So this is what's inside. It's a paper filter, almost not even paper, I think cardboard. It's a little bit thicker than normal paper. It's very close to what we have as our oil filters. If you own a Pulsar or a KTM, the oil filter very close to that. Yeah, so this is what's inside your fuel filter, and there's this metal thing. This is just looks like a oil filter but slimmer. The cylindrical form factor is a little bit slimmer, that's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a picture of the old versus new fuel filter, and you'll see how contaminated our fuel is. And this is after 7,000 kilometers of running. Now, changing a fuel filter is important, but it also depends on your running and where you're getting your fuel from. Because some places have more contaminated fuel, some places have less contaminated fuel. So your mileage will vary. I have gone 7,000 kilometers and I have changed it. I had no issues, but I changed it as a precaution. And I think I'm going to continue doing this every 7 to 8,000 kilometers. I'm going to change the fuel filter because it's not that expensive. But this is something I don't want in my motorcycle. So that's all for this video. I will see you all in the next one. Like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff, and maintain your motorcycle because it will keep you happy. I was going to say maintain you, but no, it will keep you happy.